million tons of paper are recycled into cellulose insulation. This paper is collected from municipal recycling programs, organizations using paper drives as fundraisers, as well as printers, newspaper distributors, and other sources. What some people might consider trash is put to good use, insulating buildings to save on winter heating and summer cooling bills. Our goal at the Cellulose Insulation Manufacturers Association is to save energy in homes and businesses by diverting paper from waste disposal and reducing the amount of trash going to landfills. Speaking of landfills, paper products are the single biggest component of the municipal solid waste, making up over 38% of the material deposited in landfills in the United States. Every ton of recycled paper saves more than 3 cubic yards of landfill space, conserves the equivalent of 17 trees worth of lumber, saves 7,000 gallons of water, cuts water and air pollution by 95%, and saves 11 barrels or 462 gallons of oil. And all of those savings are before installing cellulose insulation into your home or business. While every type of building insulation saves energy, cellulose insulation has so many advantages over other thermal materials. Cellulose has a much smaller impact on the environment. Statistics will show that cellulose insulation is the most environmentally friendly insulation product on the market today. We like to call it the greenest of the green, and here's why. The production of cellulose insulation uses far less energy than either fiberglass or foam insulating products. This is often called embodied energy, which is factored as the sum of the total energy required to transport raw materials, to manufacture the product, and deliver it to the work site. Canadian Building Magazine estimates that fiberglass uses at least 10 times more embodied energy than cellulose, and foam insulation uses 64 times as much energy as recycled paper. Unlike cellulose insulation, foam insulation products are made from petroleum, which is a non-renewable resource. Cellulose insulation is already recognized as a green building material because it earns architects and builders points under the U.S. Green Building Council's Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design program, as well as the National Association of Home Builders Green Building Program. The high R value and density of the cellulose insulation provides excellent thermal barriers, soundproofing, as well as fire retardation. Particularly in climates with either hot summers or cold winters, cellulose insulation performs better than fiberglass when the differences between indoor and outdoor temperatures increases. Protect your home and business from high energy bills and do your part to help reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Cellulose insulation, the performance choice, the environmental choice, the right choice.